A lot of people knew this was coming and it's finally here, so we are really excited and we really hope you guys enjoy what we've brought to you. I'm here to introduce you to the new X-Track. So this is an awesome bit of gear here. Basically what we do, we take an SR Hilux or an SR5 Hilux. We need a pre-registration from you. So before you go and register it, you need to bring it to us and then we can do this awesome bit of kit to it. This thing's 6 inches higher than factory. We make it 11 inches wider than factory. "35-inch tyres. We've got complete front end change on it, so we've got a wide track front end, so big wide control arms on the lower and the upper. There's bash plates in there, big diff drop, all that sort of gear. 2.5 shocks in the front, or 2.0s. In the rear, we basically go either a coil conversion rear, so you get your awesome articulation, or we can leave it leaf spring rear, depending on what you want. Different people like different things. Basically this too, we've also brought the GVM up to about 3,560. So the GVM on this vehicle standard is 3,050 kilograms. So we've got 510 kilograms extra weight you can put into this vehicle. So that really helps when you go camping or going away for the weekend. You can now put all that extra weight in the vehicle. It's safe and it's legal. As we've gone 11 inches wider, we've had to revise the sway bar. So we've gone a narrower, more flexible sway bar, and that allows it to articulate more and also allows you to have a lot more comfortable ride. What we chose to go with this particular X-Track build was a chrome moly upper arms on the top, so they're adjustable, so you can get your wheel alignment very good. Camber caster can be adjusted. We've also redesigned the lower control arms to suit the same width as the uppers. This adds to the strength of it. Obviously gets your wheel alignment back to where it should be. They're a lot stronger than the factory one, with the bump stop incorporated into them as well. They still have full steering locks as per factory as well, and they also still take the factory ball joints. So if you do have a problem with a ball joint in the future wearing out or something like that, you can easily get that part. The struts in the X-Track, you can either get in a 2.0 or 2.5 shock. We use a Superior remote reservoir shock. You can adjust that depending on what sort of ride you want, whether you're at the beach or hard pack or anything like that. You can easily just change it. You might be towing and you might want it firmer. Due to this vehicle being so wide, 11 inches wider, we've had to do a fair bit of modifications to the actual standard body. Once we've cut the body, then we'll put on our replacement guards, which will allow a 35-inch tyre in there. Then we've got inner guards go in there to protect all the inner workings of the vehicle. Your paint work needs to be done to the vehicle because we're obviously changing so much on the outside, so that gets resprayed again. The bash plates on this vehicle are 4mm 350 grade steel. Starting with the front, we've got a radiator guard, and then we've got a full recovery point there as well. And then it goes down under the engine. We've also got the gearbox, and then we've got the transfer case. So all your vital drive line and engine components are all protected. The rear of this has got the coil conversion in it. So with the coil conversion, we do a chrome moly rear housing. So that's wider to make that 11 inches wider. In there, we fit chrome moly axles into that. You use your standard carrier. So standard diff lock and all that can all stay with the vehicle. There is an option if you want to have your diff gears changed at the same time, we can do that, which is recommended to do that if you want to retain the same power as factory with your larger tyres. Now we've chosen a 5-link in this vehicle, and the reason we've gone 5-link is purely because of the way the geometry is, the fuel tank and all that sort of stuff. We use the Superior Panhard in the back that we've been using for years, which is very proven out there in all the competitions and all that sort of stuff. We use the same material for the lower control arms. It's been in many competitions for many years, all high tensile steel. The upper control arms are also high tensile steel. All those parts will come lifetime warranty against bending or failure. So if you're looking at purchasing an X-Track, you need to speak to our sales consultants at Superior Engineering regarding this, because you will need to purchase your vehicle, make sure you don't register it before you get it to us. The boys at Superior Engineering will then do the modifications, and then you can register your vehicle, and that will make it street legal throughout Australia, as it is on 35-inch tyres. So this has been a really long build, this thing. It's been 2+ years, so we're really excited to finally get this out there on the market. And I'm very happy for all the guys that have been following us, been patient. A lot of people knew this was coming, and it's finally here, so we are really excited, and we really hope you guys enjoy what we've brought to you.